This is today's word. Let's look at its pronunciation, meaning, forms, and a few sentences to know the way it's practically used. It's pronounced as consist when it's used as a verb, and as a noun, it's pronounced as consist. As a noun, it's got just one meaning: the railway stock, excluding the locomotive engines. So I can say, the Indian Railways consist is valued at 3 million rupees. Now, as a verb, it means to be made up of or to be comprised of. Consist isn't a word that you can easily draw a picture of. You will need to use it till you get the picture. Consist has several forms that are used for stating different aspects. Consists, consisted, consisting, consistency, consistently, and inconsistency. Now let's look at some practical ways of using consist in sentences. Consist of. This is used for physical things. Bharat Ratna consists of a certificate and a medallion. This complex consists of 102 residential units and 30 offices. The football team consists of 11 players. These are all physical things, material things. But consist in is used for non-physical things. So we can say virtue doesn't consist in giving up vice, but in giving up desiring vice. Education doesn't consist in learning by rote. Happiness consists in being satisfied with what you have. The beauty of the car consists in its comfort and ease of maneuverability. Notice, all these things are non-physical. Beauty is non-physical. So is happiness, education, virtue. You can't touch them, feel them. So we say consist in. Now, you can also answer the question how much using words like chiefly, entirely, mainly, exclusively, solely, only, simply, merely. These are called adverbs. So some sentences could be, the group chat consisted solely of neighborhood gossip. The exports consisted mainly of spices and sugar. The commission consisted simply of 2 ex officio members of the board and an expert nominated by the industry. The mushroom consists chiefly of the stem and the cap. I'm saying chiefly, it means it consists of certain other things also, but the most important things are the stem and the cap. The dinner table conversation consisted exclusively of the proceedings at the last meeting. Exclusively, it means there was nothing else. His contribution in the meeting consisted entirely of grunts. Entirely of. That means the only thing that he said was grunt. We can also use adverbs like essentially, largely, mainly, mostly, predominantly, primarily, principally. Finally, let's look at a few synonyms. Dwell, subsist, be contained in, be found in here, abide. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.